औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़-ज़ालिमीन। Assalamu alaikum, students of class 9. Today we are going to study the last topic of our chapter number 3. The topic is threat to water, soil, vegetation and wildlife. Threat means what are the dangers we are facing of our water reservoirs, soil, vegetation, forests and wildlife animals. First one, threats to water. On the first point, write the heading unnecessary use of water. Underground water resources are decreasing due to unnecessary use of water. It may cause problems like unavailability of the water in the future. Number 2, old methods of irrigation. Traditional and old method of irrigation and farming are wasting water. Farmers should be trained as how to use water to avoid the misuse of the water. Number 3, absence of new dams. New water reservoirs, dams are not constructed. It is causing massive water shortage and water wastage. You know that in the month of June, July, glaciers melt and a large amount of water comes in our rivers. So sometimes rivers show the flood situation. But we don't have enough storage capacity to store the water of the coming from the glaciers. So water goes wasted. Number 4 point, not cemented water channel. While irrigating field, a huge amount of water is wasted because canals and water channels are not cemented. Water seep into the ground and most of the canal water is wasted. Lack of water storage system. We have no proper system of water storage. As a result, huge quantity of water goes unused and finally falls into the sea in the month of in the summer season when the glacier melt. Number 2, soil. Threats to the soil. First point, overpopulation. The population of our country is increasing rapidly, whereas the cultivating area is decreasing. Number 2, salinity and waterlogging. Salinity and waterlogging are affecting our soil very badly. Number 3, traditional method of farming. Old and traditional method of farming are used. It is not possible to increase the average yield of crop by using these methods. Number 4, growing of crops repeatedly. The fertility of the soil decreases because same crops are grown repeatedly, which decreases the fertility of the soil. Industrial and domestic wastage. Industrial and domestic wastage is affecting our soil because they contain harmful chemicals which affecting the fertility of the soil or it affecting our soil. Vegetation. Number 3, vegetation. Number 1, unnecessary cutting of trees. Unnecessary cutting of trees is resulting in decrease of the forest. Number 2, lack of rainfall. Lack of rainfall is causing problem in growing forest because plant need a special amount of water for its growth. So in the absence of rain, it is not possible. Number 3, salinity and waterlogging. Increased saline and waterlogging are decrease the area of the forest. Disease of the trees. Diseases of trees are also a cause of the forest destruction. Diseases of the trees also is the main cause of the destruction of the trees. Number 5, environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is affecting the forest badly. Fourth point, threats to wildlife. First point, illegal hunting. Illegal hunting of wild animal or birds may cause decline in the population of wildlife. Number 2, depleting water resources. Rapidly depleting water resources are affecting wildlife. Number 3, cutting down forests. Cutting down forests is also affecting the wildlife. Number 4, rapid growth in the population. Rapid growth in human population is also having negative effect on the wildlife, because when human population is increasing, it requires more area for the construction of its colonies, so the vegetation part is decreasing, which is affecting the wildlife. Domestic animal. The number of the domestic animal is increasing. It is causing decrease in the pasture. Pasture means fodder, the food they eat. So the wildlife is affected by the increase in the domestic animals. So students, this is our last topic of the third chapter. Okay, thank you.